Ayan, may magkikay. May party dito sa loob ng compound. Ayan. May birthday ata. Wait saying. Ayan, naglakad-lakad kami ni Quing Quing. May party. May party dito sa swimming pool. Ito ang big pool ng recreation, mga kakibad. Ayan. Ayan. So, thank you for